Let's go on a journey of designing my own fabric for my dog bandana small business. If you didn't know already, I own and run 2 small businesses, Nellium Crafts and PicklesPaw. PicklesPaw is all about dogs. Currently our primary product is dog bandanas. So to make our bandanas even more exclusive, I decided to design my own fabric. I designed these cow stickers for my Nellium Craft shop, and I love the design. So these were my inspiration for my first fabric collection, the Spring Farmyard collection. I started with the cow, pretty much the same design as the original sticker, decided on black spots instead of brown to make her stand out on the fabric. Next, for the chicken. For all 3 animals, I did start with a slightly more detailed design, like the shadows and the little details, but decided they wouldn't show on the fabric, so cut back to the basics. Simple but very adorable. After some more design and colour picking, I ordered the samples. This was so exciting for me, seeing my own designs on real fabric. For the cow fabric, I added little tufts of grass and a turquoisey green background. The chickens have eggs on a light purple background. And the pigs have carrots on a yellow background. To make the mock-up bandanas, I made Pickle our usual small size, but as you can see the samples were just slightly too small to make a fully sized small bandana. I had to trim down the usual template a little bit, so we could get some mock-ups to take pictures in. Once I was happy with the smaller template, one last iron, and it was then time to cut out and make up the bandanas. Choosing which lining fabric and colour is always the hardest part. As they are the spring collection, I decided to use cotton linings instead of the fleece, as it was supposed to get warmer in spring, although it didn't really feel like that in the UK. Comparing all the colours to each of the fabrics, I settled on these: dark green for the cow, mustard yellow for the chicken, and pink for the pigs. Don't forget our PicklesPaw label, and time to sew. I love how they turned out. I'm happy with the size of the characters and the pattern. So only one thing left to do: get those professional model shots with my live-in model. Pickle is a true professional. We've done this so many times before, she knows the drill. Using a plain black collar and a few yummy treats, Pickle hits those poses and I take the shots. The bandanas are now added to our website and Etsy store. I loved being able to design my own fabric, and the costs aren't that much more than buying fabric from everywhere else. So I can't wait to design more collections in the future. Make sure you're following along to see what we create.